It is actually a privilege to be able to present at this very prestigious conference. We are at the 11th Kenya Diabetes Study Group Conference, and we are proud to be the executive members, organizers, and as a key speaker in this particular conference. Today marked day 2 of the conference, and we have started off very actively with discussions on the epidemiology, and mainly my talk focused on the pathophysiology, which is the mechanisms that cause obesity and how one should assess for obesity in people who are living with this condition. And the key highlights of my talk is basically to not look at obesity as a very simplistic way of energy in minus energy out. There is actually a whole lot of complex interconnected systems or mechanisms that come into play, involving both our genetics and the environment, with the consideration of cultural factors, social factors, stress, sleep, and factors related to our changing environments of the endocrine, or rather the hormonal systems, and the neural or the neurological systems in our brain. And so this, being a complex condition, eventually ends up leading to a whole lot of complications if not taken care of at the right time. And there's the whole element then of assessing, which means that we need to screen for people who have obesity or overweight. And basically it means you've got excessive adipose tissue or fat deposition, which could predispose to complications and diseases. That is what obesity is defined as. So to screen it, the tool that we can use very easily is at least your body weight. To just know that you're heading towards obesity, if you get your weight checked every year, and if it is increasing by more than 1 to 1.5 kilos per year over a 3-year span, already you are at high risk of developing obesity. Beyond that, simply using height and your weight to calculate a body mass index can help to screen, although it is not enough usually, and we need to check our obesity related to our waist circumference and our waist to height ratio. And diagnosis and management then follows a multidisciplinary team approach.